Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video lecture we will discuss about DMZ Firewall and VPN. So let us move forward and continue with the concepts of these three terms. So firewall is designed to either allow or deny network traffic based upon a set of defined criteria. This criteria could be predefined set of default rules or could be user created or even combination of the two. So the rules can be like blocking or allowing the traffic from or to any IP address. So this is the role of firewall in the network environment. Now moving towards another term, that is DMZ. So that is demilitarized zone. So DMZ means allowing the public to access certain network services while still maintaining the security of your internal devices. Common services that would be placed in the DMZ include a web server and a domain name system server, that is DNS server. Now, moving towards the next term, that is VPN. So, VPN means virtual private network. So, it can be defined as a means of transmitting private data securely from one network across an unsecured network to a third network. So if I speak generally, the unsecured network which we are referring to is the internet. So by its design has a number of potential security risks. So the question is why VPN is needed. So suppose our organization is located on multiple sites. So in this case, the organization wants to ensure that all the traffic between the sites is protected from any kind of risk. So that is why they use VPN. And you can see the diagram which is much more clear and here to understand the concept. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you must have learned the concepts which I discussed in today's video lecture. You can put your comments or queries and I would respond to you accordingly. And you can also suggest me the topics and I would accordingly prepare the video for that. So let's meet in the next video lecture. Till then, goodbye.